Yo, hello everyone and welcome back to Dividend Investor. I'm back today with another video. The topic of today's video, I'll be going over the Simply Wall Street dividend score of the company Abbvie. Before getting to the context of today's video, guys, if you could please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers, and every little help I can get at the moment would be a big boost. So also, yeah, if you like this video, definitely stick a thumbs up on the video. Get in the comments, let me know what you think of the video. Obviously, I've always said I love the engagement on YouTube, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the introduction. So yeah, today's stock we'll be going over is Abbvie. I'm not going to go into too much detail about the company. I've said this in previous videos. You can check out all sorts of information on the Simply Wall Street app. As you can see on the top there, I'm scrolling across to what it says. The section we focus on today is the dividend yielding score. So we'll go across to the dividend now. So Abbvie's dividend yield gets a 4 out of 6 rating on the Simply Wall Street app. So this, as you can see there, what is Abbvie's current dividend yield? It's reliability and sustainability. It's a 6.23% dividend yield, which is quite a good dividend score. I always aim to get a dividend between 3 and 7%, 6-7%, around about that mark. So we'll go on to the first point, number one. Abbvie, with its 6.23% dividend yield, is higher than the bottom 25% of dividend payers in the US market, which they average 2.1%. Score number two, the dividend yield of Abbvie of 6.23% is in the top 25 payers in the US. Obviously, that's a lot of dividend payers. The top 25% average at a 5.66% dividend yield. And the next two is the two blotches on the scorecard for Abbvie. First one is, whilst dividend payments have been stable, Abbvie has only been paying dividends less than 10 years. So obviously, if you look at it, they're not a dividend aristocrat or anything like that. They've only been paying dividends. I'm not sure how many years it is, but it's not too many so far. So that's the first blotch, score number 3. On to score number 4. Abbvie's dividend payments have increased, but the company has only paid dividend for 7 years. There we go. That's 7-year dividend payments, which isn't a long time, but they have been continuously growing, which is good. Its payout ratio of 82.9% of Abbvie's payments are covered by the earnings, which is good. I've said this in a lot of other videos. We've been talking about other companies. If they can if the payments are covered by their earnings, that's always a good sign. That's score number 5. Number 5, sorry. And the final score, the future dividend coverage. Abbvie's dividends in 3 years are forecast to be well covered by their earnings, which is good. Good bit of future coverage for Abbvie for the next 3 years at least. So Abbvie gets quite a good solid 4 out of 6 score, which I think is pretty good. Obviously, the other two blotches mainly is because they haven't been paying dividends for too long. Obviously, a lot of the times you've got to look at companies who have been paying dividends consistently for years. But hopefully Abbvie will be building up to that in the future. And you can see the upcoming dividend payment. If you buy in the next 6, so it says the ex-dividend date is on the 14th of April. So if you buy a share of Abbvie before then, you'll receive a dividend on the 15th of May. So it's another good little thing on the Simply Wall Street app. You can see when the next dividend is due. So if you want to add in the shares before that date, you'll get more payout when it actually does get paid. Just go a bit of information about Abbvie now. Go across to that tab. Obviously, Abbvie Inc., the company, ticker symbol Abbv, on the New York Stock Exchange, only founded in 2012 on the biotechnological industry, pharmaceutical and biotech. They have a market cap of $111.82 billion, with outstanding shares of 1.48 billion. 30,000 employees as of December 2019. Location is in North Chicago, Illinois, in America. And as you can see there, a bit of biography about the company. Again, I'm not going to really bore you with too much of this, guys. I've said in other videos of other companies, you can get this app and see all this stuff for yourself. So it's just interesting, all the different tabs they have on the Simply Wall Street app. It's really good. I'd definitely recommend getting this app, guys. So that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. So let me know what you think of the company Abbvie, what you think of the dividend yield, if you're going to purchase Abbvie, if you're looking to sell for whatever reason. Yeah, just let me know what you think of the video as well, guys. So I'm going to leave you on that. Take care. Bye.